Hello and welcome back to AtsBay Online Classes YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploads. In today's video, I'm going to give you a small spell, or you can call it a remedy, a tip, or whatever you want, to bring an ex back. See, in my personal opinion, I don't think bringing an ex back is a good idea, because that person was never meant to be in your life. That is why that person has become an ex. And not only that, if you bring that person back, that person, he or she, will come back with all the problems you have had previously in your relationship, but people want their exes back. So if you are a person who wants to get your ex back no matter what happens, then you can do the spell. But if you have a small tiny bit of doubt, at least in your mind, that will this be all right, will this relationship be better now, if you have that kind of a doubt in your mind, please don't do this, because this is a very powerful spell. It's a hoodoo spell. First of all, hoodoo practices are very powerful. Hoodoo is not, as people think, bad or evil or anything. It is a practice started by Africans. When African slaves were bought by their masters, who were white people, and brought to other countries, they were forced to convert to Christianity. So they converted to Christianity, but these masters used to torture them so much. They used to beat them, they used to punish them, they used to do all kind of bad things to these slaves. They developed a kind of magic to be protected from these bad or evil masters. That became hoodoo. Later on, it spread all over the world as a religion, or as a practice, a magic practice. So that is hoodoo. So many of their practices are very, very strong. We also have a hoodoo spells class on our website. If you are interested, you can join that and do your own spell work. Please don't go to others to do spell work for you. First of all, it is very expensive. Secondly, it is a risk that you take. There is no guarantee in magic. There is no guarantee at all in magic, because it is not in your hands. If you are doing it, somebody else is doing it for you. It is not in their hands. It is in the hands of the universe and the spirits they use. So they have to decide whether they want to work for you or whether they want to forcefully do something for you. Whatever you do forcefully carries a little bit of karma. So you never know whether the person who is doing the magic for you is doing something to stop that karma or protecting you. You never know that. So it is always good to do your own spell. And another thing I want to say here, very importantly, is if you are doing spell work, don't publish your pictures. Spell work is not meant for everyone to see. It is something that is done in a very secret manner. So it should be secretive. Then only it will work. The minute you openly show people this is what I am doing, your magic will stop there. Trust me, I know this. So let's get back to the spell I was talking about of bringing your ex back. Take some water and add some red rose petals in it. Not the red rose petals that come with the fertilizer sprayed. Don't use that. If you know somebody who has a red rose plant in their house, and or if you are growing a red rose plant, take the flower from that, not the flower which you buy, because those flowers are all fertilizer sprayed and they are not safe, and magic will not work also. You take that, you take the red rose, then you get some catnip. Catnip is available on Amazon. If you type catnip in the comment section, I will send you the link to buy the catnip from Amazon. So you add the red rose petals and you add the catnip in the boiling water. Let it be boiling for at least 30 minutes. Just keep the flame low and let it boil. Then you off the stove and bring the vessel down and let it cool down. Once it is cooled down, you strain it properly. Use a strainer, because catnip will have a lot of dust-like particles. It's very powder-like. So you strain it and fill in 2 bottles. So one bottle you take and add it to the water in which you are going to shower. So not on your head, on your body, you will pour that water. So one bottle of this mixture will go into that water, and the other bottle you keep with you, and you spray that water in your house, all around your house, every day. You do this and that person will come back. Now, there is a stronger version of this, is to add a few drops of your urine. in the water, which you're going to spray around the house, inside your house. So this is the spell work for bringing an ex back. Now, if you do this and your ex does not come back, still that means that person is not supposed to be in your life. Then you have to stop it and you have to move on. So this is the spell work. Go on and try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the bell icon to get more videos like this.